Hi, this is Team Mystic. I'm Jerry,
I'm Joshua.
And I'm Ken.
and this is our NeuroMaker project. Our problem is, how are we able to make daily tasks for amputees easier? Some problems that we thought of that amputees might have are holding a phone. Phones are used on a daily basis as for communication as well as entertainment. This is difficult for amputees because they need one hand to hold the phone and another to multitask. A possible solution for this problem would be to signal the hand to open it and close whenever the phone needs to be held. Another problem we thought of was being able to pick up smaller objects. Even without having a missing hand, smaller objects are very difficult for people to pick up. The struggle for amputees to pick up smaller objects, such as their toothbrush or screwdrivers, would be increased. A possible solution for this problem would be to make it so that the hand will open and close off a command or action. Our final solution that we came up with was we program the hand to open when two fingers are held up and to close when one finger is held up. We decided on this solution because although having a way to hold your phone is nice, there are already other inventions that allow people to have a phone stand. We also decided on this idea because many amputees are on the older side and many would struggle to deal with smaller objects other than phones.
For our code, we used an extension that allows the NeuroMaker hand to recognize hand gestures using the camera. So whenever we hold one finger up, the NeuroMaker hand would close, and whenever we hold two fingers up, the NeuroMaker hand would open.
This is the video that shows the NeuroMaker hand in action. So as you can see, when two fingers are held up, the NeuroMaker hand opens up. And when one finger is held up, the NeuroMaker hand closes. And it securely grabs the screwdriver so it's not moving around. In the next video, it shows the NeuroMaker hand in action without the screwdriver. Fingers held up, the hand closes. When two finger is held up, the hand opens. For our next steps in this project, although this challenge has concluded by the time you guys view this video, there are some steps that, if given the chance, we would like to incorporate with our main idea. Since we use the engineering design process, the last step in the process is to improve rather than finish. So because this process is a never-ending one, there are always improvements to be made, and there's nothing really ever perfect with what we do, and this project sure does not break the mold. Some of the ideas you will see are other solutions that we thought about, or just new ones that you can see for the first time. Our first improvement would be verbal activation. This would be our first one because we did think of having this for our activation, but we just couldn't get it to work. And how this would work was we would say open, and the hand would open and close, and the hand would close. This is better because you don't need to use your other hand to signal the hand to move, and this would make life more convenient. Next improvement we would make would be dealing with sensors. Although the items that we showed in the demonstration were not fragile, if this hand were to be dealing with more fragile items, sensors would be optimal. With a touch sensor, if a certain amount of pressure is dealt to the item, it would stop the hand altogether and grasp the fragile object gently. Also, the addition of sensors would help open up more programming, so the hand could be activated by sensor readings instead of human interaction. Our closing statement: this project was a new challenge for us, and we enjoyed thinking of ways to improve the lives of other people. We had problems, but we overcame them to create a project that would positively impact the lives of many people. While it is finished, we would like to try to improve our project. Signing off, Team Mystic.